Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another niche idea video for May. We've already done 2 of the niches and we have 2 left where we can do a t-shirt design and a journal cover. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the wheel of names, spin the wheel and create the product. I hope you guys have been enjoying this series, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. We're going to come over here and we're going to click to spin, and let's see. All right, so we have summer. I think I'm going to do a journal cover for summer. I'm going to close that and then remove summer from the list. Going to go over to Canva. Going to create a design, custom size. Let's see if it has it already in here. Going to put my dimensions in for the cover. Create a new design. All right, I have my full cover, and when I think about summer, I kind of think about like yellow. So let's see what type of yellow color that we can come up with. I'm just gonna come over here to the color wheel, click on yellow, and kind of see. Also, when I think of summer, I think of sunflowers, like late fall, you know. So let's do a sunflower cover. I want to do navy. Let's look at a deeper blue here. Let's go over to our elements and let's find some sunflowers. So let's see if I can find one that I really enjoy. So many to choose from here. Kind of like this one. Let's see what I want to do with this. I think I'll go for a large. Let's see how many I can fit here. If I can fit 3. I'm just doing like a pattern. So excuse me for being quiet. Okay, and then I'm going to delete this extra one that I happened to grab. Okay, so I have my sunflowers kind of situated the way I want it. I am going to go in again to my elements and find a shape that I can just kind of block out here. Let's see. I don't want to go with let's go with this one. It's like, it has that like dimension to it where I can add this as like a little palette. I don't know what you call it, but so that I can create a distinction in this cover where the title will go. Find the middle. I'm going to go ahead and change that color. So I'll probably do white as the full layer for that. The very light color, I'll probably do yellow. And then can I choose navy for this color? I don't think you can see that one, that part. It like stands out off of the page, and then I can go ahead and add my text in there. Let me find a text that I enjoy. Let's use this one. I'm just gonna put sunflower summer. And of course I would need to make this smaller. And I'm gonna put summer. And I'll make that about the same size. Oh. So that'll be the same size, and then I'll space these together, or basically, let's see if we can ungroup them, and then just move them together, and then, okay, I don't want to ungroup, so I'm going to go back to where they were grouped, and I'll bring them down a smaller size. Let's see. I did nothing. But I don't want to lose this design. So now I'm going to ungroup because they're in the same thing together. And now I can change the color. So I'm probably going to do that navy blue so it can stand out. And then I'll hit effects because that shadow on the back of it needs to come out some more. So why did I change it to black? Oh, because it's navy blue? No. Okay, so got that one down. I'm gonna kind of do the same color. Oh, because that's the background. Now that makes sense. So I'll do this color, navy blue, and then I'll do the background white. Ha! Problem solved. All right, so gonna do white, hit effects, and change this to navy blue. Gonna move that up just a tad. Let's see if I can. Why do they be making this stuff so hard? Oh, maybe I can lock this in position. Let me lock that. And then I can grab that, but it also grabs the sunflower, but it's whatever. So now I'm gonna ungroup, push the sunflower back to the back. There we go. Sunflower Summer is our cover. Super simple, super easy. Does not matter what you put inside. It could be an activity book. It could be a sunflower coloring book with lots of different unique sunflowers, pictures of sunflowers, like whatever you come up with. But this is just an idea for the summer that I'm exploring and showing you guys how I kind of go through my little thought process. But super simple, super cute design. I'm going to download this and we'll be ready to go. So we have one more niche idea left for May. Again, this is just me designing, but I'm just giving you guys different niche ideas for the months. Of course, we already had the bucket list. We have summer, and the last one we'll do is Mother's Day, which will come up with a t-shirt design. I hope you guys are sticking to watching these videos and then coming up with some of your ideas of your own. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video.